Hi, and welcome back to the Daily 3D Print. Now, you copying objects one at a time in SketchUp? Well, let me show you a quicker way to copy multiple objects at the same time. Sound good? Well, let's get to it. So many beginners, they copy objects like this. They select the object, then on the keyboard they do Control C and then Control V to paste it in. But there's a much faster method built directly into the Move tool. So let me show you how to do it. If I select my object and I press M for Move and then Control to activate the copy command on the Move tool, click, and then I place my copy like this. So that's if you want to create one copy of an object. If I go back, if I want to create multiple copies, select the object, take the Move tool, Control, click, and then click again to place the copy, and then I'll do times by 10. Zoom out, I got 10 copies. I can also carry on and copy them along the green axis. So I select my objects again, take the Move tool, Control, place the copy along the green axis, maybe there, times by 10, enter. So it's a great way to copy one object multiple times very quickly. Now I can also create the same thing but by using the divide instead of multiply. So if I go back here, let's say we're going to select all these volumes here, take the Move tool, Control to activate copy, and this time I'm going to place them at the very end where I want it to end, like there, and then slash or divided by 10. And then you can see SketchUp places them all evenly spaced from the end one and divides up the space evenly. So a great way, either using multiply and divide to create multiple objects very quickly. So this is how professionals quickly place repeated objects like windows along a wall. And it's just to select your windows, take the Move tool, choose a point, and Control to create a copy, place the copy, and then times by, we'll do 10. A little bit too much on the end there, times by 9, like that. Or the second way is to place the copy at the very end. So we take the Move tool, Control to create the copies, follow the green axis, place it at the very end, and then divide it by 10, equally spaced. So now you know how to copy objects faster and create multiple copies instantly in SketchUp. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple SketchUp tutorials.